As a presenter, one of the most daunting things to do is to give an improvised speech. Yes, it's all well and good delivering a rehearsed speech that you've been working on for a long time, but what about an improvised speech on the spot? Now, improvised speeches are great for training spontaneity, creativity, and of course, storytelling. And if you're someone that really likes to hide behind rehearsing a lot, then this will be a great practice for you just to practice that letting go and believing in yourself on the spot. It's quite easy to do an improvised speech, get into pairs or in a bigger group, and you can give your partner a prompt or a question. And then they can have 1 to 2 minutes just to deliver that improvised speech. Now, although we're talking about improvised speeches, of course, there's still structures you can learn to help you deliver your improvised speech. The first one might be to look at the past, present, and future perspective of something. Secondly, it might be to look at the pros and the cons of a particular topic, and you can wrap up with a conclusion. Or thirdly, you could look at personal stories or experiences that you can actually use, anecdotes that you can use to actually answer that specific prompt or question. Let me know in the comments, are you someone who likes to hide behind rehearsing a lot and being perfect, or do you like that freedom, that blank canvas to improvise a bit on the spot? Let me know.